Welcome to Leo's Animal ABCs. Let's learn and play together.
Today's letter is A. Can you say A? A is for alligator.
Fun fact, did you know alligators can hold their breath underwater for almost 2 hours? Wow!
Let's remember, A is for alligator.
Next letter is B. B says B, B, B. B is for bear. This bear loves honey and taking long naps. Let's remember, B is for bear. Say it with me. B. Next letter is C. C says K, K, K. C is for cat. This little cat loves to play and purrs when it's happy. Fun fact, did you know cats sleep up to 16 hours a day? That's a lot of napping. Let's remember, C is for cat. Say it with me. C says K, cat. Next letter is D. Can you say D? D says D, like in dog. D is for dog. This happy dog loves to run, play fetch, and wag its tail. Fun fact, dogs can hear sounds from far, far away, even things we can't hear. Let's remember, D is for dog. D says duh. Say it one more time with me. This is the letter E. Can you say E? E says eh. E is for elephant. Wow, he's so big and gentle. Fun fact, elephants use their trunks to eat, drink, and even say hello. Let's remember, E is for elephant. Say it again, E, elephant. This is the letter F. F makes the sound F is for fox. Look at that fluffy tail and those sharp ears. Fun fact, foxes can make over 40 different sounds to talk to each other. Let's remember, F is for fox. Say it with me. Fox. This is the letter G. G makes the sound G. Let's say it together. G is for giraffe. Look how tall she is. Wow! Fun fact, giraffes have super long necks to reach leaves high up in the trees. Let's remember, G is for giraffe. G, G, giraffe. This is the letter H. H makes the sound H. Let's say it together. H is for hippo. Look at that big belly. So cute. Fun fact, hippos love water. They spend most of the day swimming. Let's remember, H is for hippo. Ha ha ha, hippo. This is the letter I. I makes the sound I. I. Can you say it? I is for iguana. Look at its long tail and bright green skin. Fun fact, iguanas love to sunbathe on tree branches to stay warm. Let's remember, I is for iguana. I, iguana. This is the letter J. J makes the sound J, J. Can you say it? J is for jaguar. Look at its beautiful spotted fur. Fun fact, jaguars are great swimmers and love the water. Let's remember, J is for jaguar. J, J, jaguar. This is the letter K. K makes the sound K, K. Can you try it? K is for kangaroo.
Look at it hop with its little Joey.
Fun fact, kangaroos can jump over 25 feet in a single hop.
Let's remember, K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. This is the letter L. L makes the sound L. Can you say it?
L is for lion. That's me, the king of the jungle.
Fun fact, lions live in groups called prides, and they love teamwork.
Let's remember, L is for lion. Lion. Today's letter is M. M makes the sound M. Can you say it with me? M is for monkey. Here comes our monkey friend.
Fun fact, monkeys love to play, and they can use their tails to balance.
Remember, friends, M is for monkey. Can you say it with me? Here is the letter N. N makes the sound like this. Look, N is for Nyala, a beautiful antelope with spiral horns and striped fur.
Fun fact, Nyalas are very shy and love to hide in tall grass to stay safe.
Here is the letter O. O makes the sound aw, like this. O. Look, O is for owl, a bird that loves the night and can turn its head all around. Fun fact, owls have amazing hearing and can see in the dark. Today's letter is P. P makes the sound P. P is for penguin. Penguins are super cool birds that live in cold places. Fun fact, penguins can swim faster than humans can run. It's the letter Q. Q makes the sound qu. Q is for quokka. Quokkas are small, friendly animals from Australia, and they're always smiling. Here's a fun fact. Quokkas are called the happiest animals on Earth because they always look like they're smiling. Let's remember, Q makes the sound quack, and Q is for quokka. Here it is, the letter R. R makes the sound R. R is for rabbit. Rabbits are soft, fluffy, and love to hop around. Fun fact, rabbits' teeth never stop growing. That's why they love to chew on carrots and veggies. Here it is, the letter S. S makes the sound S. S is for snake. Look at our snake friend. He slithers side to side. Fun fact, did you know snakes use their tongues to smell the air? Let's remember, S makes the sound S, and S is for snake. Here it is, the letter T. T makes the sound T. T is for tiger. Look at our tiger friend. He's strong and fast. Fun fact, did you know every tiger has stripes and no two tigers look the same? Their stripes are like fingerprints. Here it is, the letter U. U makes the sound U is for unicorn. Wow, look at our magical unicorn friend. Fun fact, did you know unicorns are often shown with magical horns that can sparkle and shine? Here it is, the letter V. V makes the sound V. V is for vicuna. Look at this fluffy vicuna. It's from the mountains of South America. Fun fact, vicunas have super soft wool, and it's one of the rarest and most valuable in the world. What makes the sound woof, woof, like in the word wolf? Can you say it with me? Woof. W is for wolf. Wolves are strong and smart animals that live in groups called packs. Fun fact, wolves love to howl at night. That's how they talk to their pack and let everyone know where they are. X makes the sound X. X. X is for xerus. Xerus is a cute little ground squirrel that lives in Africa. Fun fact, xerus loves to eat seeds, nuts, and roots. And guess what? They live in big families underground. Y makes the sound y, like in the word yak. Can you say it with me? Y. Y is for yak. Yaks are big, furry animals that live high up in the mountains. Fun fact, yaks have super warm coats which help them stay cozy in the freezing cold. Z makes the sound Z, Z, like in the word zebra. Can you say it with me? Z, zebra. Fun fact, did you know every zebra's stripes are unique, just like your fingerprints? Woohoo! We finished the alphabet together. You learned Z with the zebra. Like and subscribe for more fun learning with Leo.